Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing a 20-minute dance workout. By the way, stay tuned because we have a special announcement coming soon. Alrighty guys, we are going to start with a merengue. Get ready. We're gonna start with that left foot. We're gonna just go on the spot first. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. March. Very good. We're gonna go to the side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap. Very good. Last time. And back on the spot. 5, 6, get ready. We're gonna bring it forward and go. Forward, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back, 2, 3. Good, forward. And back. Forward. Back. Forward. Back. And back on the spot. Very good. We are going to use 8 counts to make a circle. Get ready. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Circle. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle. And circle. Other way. And back on the spot. And 5, 6. Ready to the side. Go. Very good. Bring it forward. And back. Make a circle, go. Other way. Back on the spot. Very good. We're gonna breathe our arms up and down. One more time. Up. Down. And to the side. Get ready. Forward. Back. Circle. And circle. And arms up. Down. Up. Down. Get ready. 5, 6, 7, go. Side. Switch. Bring it forward. Other way. And arms open, down, open, down. And very good, guys. All right, it is salsa time. Get ready. We're gonna start with just a basic step. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Very good. Keep this up. Very good. We're gonna go into a Susie Q cross. We're gonna go back to that basic step. Very good. Watch this. We go. And tap, tap, tap. Forward, back, drop, tap, tap, tap. Forward, back, drop, tap, tap, tap. Forward, back, drop, tap, tap, tap. Do it again. Very good. Last time. Back to that basic. Just a plain basic. Very good. Get ready, Susie Q. Get ready. Let's drop. Very good. Back to that basic step. 5, 6, 5, 6, and get ready, Susie Q. Let's drop. Very good, back to that basic. We're going to do a turn. Get ready. First the basic, go. Basic, turn. Basic, turn. Basic, turn. Last one. Basic, turn. Basic, go. Just basic. Get ready. We're gonna do Susie Q. Forward, back, cross, cross, forward, back, cross. Get ready, we're gonna drop. Very good, basic step with a turn. One more. And back to that basic. And Susie Q, cross it over, here we go. Let's drop it. Basic, turn. Basic, turn. Back to the basic. Very good, guys. Ready? Here we go. Let's cross it. Let's drop it. And turn it. Very good. Alrighty, guys. We are now coming to the cha-cha. Get ready. We're just gonna start on the spot. And we're going to do our cha-cha rhythm. And 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 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 Very good. I want you to focus on those knees. Cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. Bending and straightening. Very good. We're gonna move a little higher. Let's think about those hips. How they twist, 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 twist. Very good. Think about your shoulders. Keep them still. Don't let them twist with the hips. Keep them forward. Pick up those arms. Let them be soft. Don't leave them by your side. Keep them up. Very good. Feet together. Let's go. Together. Side together, side. Together, together. Keep this up. Very good. We're gonna bring it to a basic step. Here we go. Forward. Back. Forward. Back. Very good. Let's go back to that time step. Here we go. Last one. Basic, go. This is the last one. We're gonna do 3 cha-chas forward. Forward, 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 check. Back, 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 back. Forward, forward, back. Keep this up. And back, back.
Le tic-tac de ma montre s'est arrêté dans la nuit.
All right.
Le silence
Time for Samba.
enfin se montre, le silence enfin revit.
The nice song.
Plus une seule seconde ne m'empêchera de dormir.
Get ready?
Plus qu'une tombée,
We're gonna
le
start with a
monde
bounce.
souvenir.
And
Mon lit n'est plus qu'une tombée, le monde d'un souvenir.
very good. Keep this up. We're gonna go into a basic step. Right foot forward. Get ready. Here we go.
Le tic-tac
Forward.
de ma montre
Back.
s'est
Forward.
arrêté dans la nuit.
Back.
Le silence
Forward.
enfin se montre.
Back.
Le silence
Forward.
enfin revit.
Back.
Plus une
Forward.
seule seconde
Back.
ne m'empêchera
Very
de
good.
dormir. Mon lit n'est plus qu'une tombe et le monde un
We're just gonna go back to that bounce.
souvenir.
Very good, guys. Take this moment to breathe in through your nose, out of your mouth. Get ready to the side.
Déjà le
Whisk.
cœur de la ville ne bat plus qu'au ralenti, comme un gosse au pouls fébrile, comme un animal meurtri. Et cette étrange rythmique qui faisait danser la terre à
Very
son
good.
tempo apathique nous fait
And
descendre en enfer.
back to the bounce. Very good. Get ready. We're going back into that basic step. Get ready,
Mais
go.
la
1,
machine
2,
repart
3, 4,
alors que
5,
nous sommes
6.
dément.
To the
C'est
side.
le
1,
rythme qui
2,
s'empare
3, 4,
de nos
5,
âmes et de
6.
nos corps.
Back to that basic go. 1, 2,
Les minutes et
3,
les
4,
règle nos
5,
jours
6.
et nos nuits.
To the side.
Les rires, tous les pleurs du
And
métronome de la
back
vie.
to the bounce. Very good. Good job, guys. Keep this up. Get ready. We're gonna do Botafogo. 2 forward, 2 back. Get ready. Here we go. Forward. Back. Forward. Back. Do it again. Very good. Back to the bounce. Here we go. All right. Putting that all together. Basic, whisk, and Botafogo. Ready? Here we go. Forward. Back. Forward, to the side. Go. Cross. And go. And back to the bounce. Very good, guys. We are going to do 4 volta. Here we go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Switch 1 and 2 and let's do it one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Very good. Here we go. Last but not least, we have a cool down of bachata. Get ready. We're just gonna start on the spot. 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Step, step, step. Very good. We're starting with feet together. This is hard. It's hard to coordinate this action with those feet together, but you can do it. Very good. And now, feet apart. Very good. Get ready. 5, 6, 5, 6 to the side. Side together, side. Very good. Get ready. Walk it forward, go. With a little scoop. And now regular tap. And then with a scoop. Again. With a scoop. And back on the spot. Let's put our feet together. Very good. And feet apart. Breathe in through your nose, out of your mouth. Get ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Side. Forward and back. With a scoop. And back on the spot. Get ready. We're gonna go into a box step. Ready? And go. Side together, back. Side together, forward.